The Theosophical Society presents Miss Joy Mills in a talk entitled The Nature of the Mystical Experience.
I was interested in a statement that has been made by Rainer Johnson, not in his books, but in a magazine article, an article which he wrote for the American Theosophist and which will ultimately appear, I think, in a book, because we are at present preparing another quest book which will be on this subject of mysticism. And in this article, Mr. Johnson has said, with regard to the mystical experience, this is the most important type of experience a human being can have, and it is the most difficult to talk about. So one could say with that, here is a significant experience, and here we are attempting to talk about something that is really inexpressible. When we begin to talk about the experience, we really run into all kinds of difficulties. Perhaps one of the most beautiful expressions of it, and indicating something of this difficulty, is the description of his experience, the mystical experience, by the great Sufi mystic Farud al-Din Attar. Whoever leaves this world behind him passes away from mortality, and when he has passed away from mortality, he attains to immortality. If thou dost desire to reach this abode of immortality and to attain this exalted state, which means this state of mysticism, divest thyself first of self, and then summon unto thyself a winged steed out of nothingness to bear thee aloft. Clothe thyself with the garment of nothingness and drink the cup of annihilation. Cover thy breast with nothingness and draw over thy head the robe of non-existence. Set thy foot in the stirrup of complete renunciation, and looking straight before thee, ride the steed of non-being to the place where nothing is. Here you see